Children, our next topic is population pyramid. Now, an interesting way to study the population composition is by looking at the population pyramid. Now, what is population pyramid? It is a graph showing the distribution of population by gender and age. Now, this population pyramid tells the story of a country and where it is headed. Population statistics are some of the most important data that social scientists and policy makers have to work with. Understanding a country's situation and making accurate prediction requires not just knowing the total size of the population but its internal characteristics like age and gender. Okay, so how can we keep track of all that data in a way that it is easy to understand? Well, children, complex data is more easily understood through visualization. And one of the ways that demographers represent the population is through a population pyramid. Children, you can see here in the graph that you can see here on the vertical axis we have the ages right from 0 to 4 to 85 plus, and down below is the population in millions, the percentage of population in millions. Okay, and then you can see it is further divided into males and females. The blue are in male and the pink one is shown as female. Actually, they are basically two histograms stuck to each other. Children, you can see that the total population is divided into various age groups. Okay, and they are also further divided into males and females. You can see the blue bar lines, males are shown on the left and females are, which is in the pink bar lines, are shown in the left. Now let us see what story does this population pyramid tell us. Children, the number of young children below 15 years are shown at the base. Okay, that reflects the birth rate of a country. We see here the working age population or the economically active people of the country right from 15 to 69 years who are active and working and who earn money for the family are shown in the middle portion of the graph. Children, the number of aged people in the country are shown at the top of the graph, which reflects the number of deaths. Okay, so you can see right from 70 to 100 plus, they are considered the aged population of the country. The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents are there in the country, and there are two groups of dependents. There are young dependents, which are shown at the bottom of the graph. You can see they are called as young dependents below 15 years of age, and there are elderly dependents who are above 65. So if there are more number of young dependents, then the government needs to invest more on schools. If there are more elderly dependents, and the government must improve the health sector. And you can see in the middle section are the working people. If there are more young people, they may create unrest if there is no employment. So the government needs to work on creating and generating jobs for the working age group. So you see, children, if the base of the pyramid is broad, that means it has a high birth rate, or that country has a high birth rate. And if it tapers narrowly towards the top, means there is a high death rate also. Okay, so now let us study the population pyramid of 4 other countries and understand it better.